Hello, hello, hello. Oh, we don't have our camera enabled. Okay, I just got it back. This is Costas, and to this video, we're gonna see the new options added to Short AI. Okay. We're gonna try caption generator, but not to this video. We're gonna test because I'm curious too about this new option that it's about superhero. Okay, let's test it right now and see what kind of video is gonna create for us. Okay, I'm gonna click over here to superhero, and we move to this very interesting uh, over here. We can select one of those. You see Hulk. We can select Spider-Man. I think I'm gonna select Hulk over here. Okay. Um, if we select Hulk, it has Hook in a medium close-up shot Sonic the Hulk in the classic Jean Goliath appearance and Spider-Man's eyesight. It looks nice. You see, if I select it straight away, it creates, it's ready to generate the video. You see, it has fast push in, slow push in. What is he doing? Sound effect. It looks really interesting, and I have no idea what is gonna create. I think we can easily try it. You see, it's gonna create about uh, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Looks like it's gonna create a lot of shorts over here. Okay. In a medium close-up shot, Catwoman left and Supergirl right appear side by side, occupying the main part of the frame. Both are wearing classic costumes and have expressions of adoration and surprise, exaggerated excitement, wide eyes, open mouth, and are looking directly at the camera towards the audience. The background is Central Park. The overall style is photorealistic. Okay, what I did, I just selected the Hulk. Okay, let's try it. We can see that over here we can select cinematic fire. 1 second. It has a fast push in. Let's see what is the fast push in. It's this one. Okay. Yeah, it looks really interesting. Looks really interesting. Let's give it a shot. Okay. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna first click generate image for the storyboard. As you can see, it's gonna generate the images for the storyboard. It looks something new, and as I promised you, we're gonna create it to see what this amazing platform can do for us and create. You see, it creates something strange with this with Joker, and you see all of them are over here. Let's see. It created all the photos here from all those superstars, and it looks really interesting. It's generating about 32 images. Okay, it generated even the prompts about the images, and now it has, you see, chewing sound here, awkwardness over here. It generated everything, and it has even the transition. Here you see Catwoman and Supergirl mock. I guess this video is gonna become viral. We can easily try it. Let's wait just for all those images to generate, and you see I got everything here. I think just one of them is missing, and when everything is generated, I guess we're gonna be able to move to the next step and click here generate. Let's see the last one. Gonna go a little bit up to see that everything is ready here. Yeah, it looks like we got everything ready, and there is just one one image here is missing. Okay, because this image is delaying, I can click on this button. You see that it's using DALL-E 3 to generate the image. I can upload an image if I want. And you see here that it's using it's trying to generate the image. You see, it's generated. Okay, I believe now we're okay. You see, everything is working normally now. So it's done. It's everything is ready. I'm gonna just click generate here, and surprisingly, we're gonna see a nice video created here. And as you can see, I just clicked. I didn't do anything else. I was just waiting for the images to be generated. The script was created automatically, and we're gonna see just the result of this video. Okay, let's see what sort AI created for us. The video,
What
it's
is he
called
doing?
Superhero.
Look at me.
Bye-bye.
What we should do? For you. It looks good.
Wow.
And this is for you. It looks good.
Wow.
Special for you, baby.
Keep your eyes on me. Please, guys, do subscribe for Help Me.
Eat this, my friend. What is he doing? Look at me.
Interesting. I believe that's really interesting. It's this kind of videos that it really can become viral. Okay, I'm gonna try and upload this kind of video to TikTok to see what is gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna upload this video to TikTok and I'm gonna let you know about the results. If you found this video interesting, you can click the like button and subscribe to my channel. That's a new option from Sort AI. You can click to Sort AI link down to the description and to my comments, and you can try it for free. Okay, you can test Sort AI. It can create amazing short videos in seconds, really in seconds. It generates all the images, and you get even captions for all these videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.